I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And guess what I got for you today? I'm just saying, I'm going to give you a move that's going to set your booty so high and make that thing so round. And I'm going to give you a move that's going to make your thighs just scream even before you even walk into a room. See, sometimes you need a body that will introduce itself before you even open your mouth. So I'm going to give you a move that's going to do exactly just that. So before I get started though, don't forget, I'm doing a buy one get one free for the Super Stomach Shredder membership. So if you're trying to drop 40 in the next 2 months and you need a shut it down body that will shut down any room, you trying to get rid of your love handles, your back fat, your pooch, because the overflow gotta go, definitely get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. It consists of the ketone, which curbs your appetite, and the Brazilian burn, which burns stomach fat, back fat, love handles, all that other good stuff. So go to KENYAFIED to get that. And it's $98. It'll be the best $98 you ever spend on your look. And on top of that, I'm going to give you the online workout program free. We'll put you on the private page. You'll get daily homework, daily videos. You'll get a meal plan, and you'll get me as your accountability coach. So take advantage of that. It's a buy one, get one free from KENYACrooksNetwork.com. So let me give you your move of the day for your thighs and for your booty. Now, this is what I need. You're going to reverse lunge. So it looks like this. You're going to reverse lunge. Boom. And then you're going to step into a squat. Boom. Then you're going to do it for the other side. So it's going to be boom, 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 boom. So this counts as one. So this is 1, boom, 2, boom, 3, boom. And maintain that angle because that's important. And make sure you drop through your heels once you come back up. This is what's going to make everything tight. This is what's going to make everything high, okay? So get me 30 of these, okay? You can break them up into 2 sets of 15 if you like, or you can just roll straight through 30. But again, if you want a high round booty and you want thick thighs, make sure you do this move. And make sure, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell to see all, because at 7:30, Monday through Friday, a.m., 7:30 a.m., I'm going to drop some content on you, baby. And I mean, this content is going to make you look amazing. It's going to help you break necks. It's going to help you drop jaws. And most importantly, it's going to get you the attention you want, need, and deserve. So click on that bell. I'm going to have something for you every morning, Monday through Friday. So make sure you click on the bell, subscribe. Now, life homework. Ready for your life homework? This is your life homework. Stop waiting on people to make you happy. Let me say it again. Stop waiting on people to make you happy. Again, I hear it all the time. Coach, I hate my job. My job don't make me happy. It makes me miserable. No, you're not happy. You make you miserable. Or coach, I don't like this relationship that I'm in. I'm miserable. No, the relationship is making you miserable. You're making you miserable. Why? Because you let people drain you. You don't have anything left. That's why you're miserable. That's why you're heartbroken. That's why you feel used up, because you allow people to drain you. The little joy and the little happiness you had, you let people drain it and take it from you. Again, stop letting people take away from you if they're not adding to you. It's about reciprocity. If I give you something and you give me something back, we're always full. But if you're always giving to people and they're never giving back to you, you're walking around empty. And it bleeds into other areas of your life. You don't like your job. You don't like the people that you deal with every day. You don't like your life. Okay, life is too short not to be in love with your life. Life is too short not to be in love with yourself. So, again, stop waiting on people to do what you know you need to be doing. Everything is a trickle-down from you down to everybody else. Everything starts with you, okay? So make sure that you distribute your stuff to people who distribute back to you. Stop waiting for people to do stuff for you. You do it for you. And stop giving stuff to people who are not constantly feeding you, who are not constantly pouring into your life. Because at the end of the day, it's going to leave you good and empty. So if you got me, that's your life homework. Stop waiting for people to make you happy. / stop letting people take from you. / drain you. So if you agree, say, I got you, coach. That's your life homework. So you got your move up today. And you got your life homework for today. So look, let's get ready to dominate this day. Because again, we don't participate in days. We dominate days. Again, make sure you subscribe. And shoot, check out my next video also too. So let's rock and roll. I love each and every single last one of you. Get the Super Stomach Shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. I'm going to change your look and I'm going to change your life. Love each and every single last one of you. Make sure you subscribe now.